Do you know what? It's a lot bigger than I thought it was. I'm like a kid in a candy shop, honestly. Everyone's really friendly. There's some really good companies here that you can speak to. So I really do recommend GroundsFest.
Very impressed with the amount of machinery that's here.
I'm really impressed. I didn't know what to expect. The volume outside, but also having the indoor halls as well. I think it adds the hands-on practical side of the industry, as well as the educational and the networking side of the industry.
There's a lot more going on. Everything is there to be driven, to be tried, to be tested.
It's getting more and more popular with everybody. It's a great place to see things being showcased outside.
To be able to use the equipment, we will be making decisions about what we buy for next year, and it's largely based on things we see today.
And it's been great networking with all the people in our industry. Definitely the way forward.
This is amazing, really good. I haven't been to a show yet which you can actually test the machines.
Really good festival, and a lot on, good bunch of people, everyone will speak to you. I'll definitely come again, recommend it to anyone.
Obviously if you can't get a demo day with anyone, then places like this are perfect.
Very impressed. There's a lot to see. I'd like to see it double in size again next year.
Well, it was quite diverse, quite good just to see what's out there.
It's quite good actually, it's the first time I've been. It's bigger than I thought it'd be. It's definitely worth coming and having a look around.
Festival last night was good with the crack. They got the Dodgers inside there too as well, so they're definitely trying to up their game every year.